The combination of Lean UX, MVP, and Agile methodologies are used to create successful products. Lean UX is a user-centered design approach focused on rapid concept, prototyping and testing, building products that meet users' needs while minimizing resources. MVP is a product with just enough features to satisfy early adopters, provide feedback for future development, aiming to test an idea's viability quickly and with minimal resources. Agile is a software development methodology emphasizing collaboration, flexibility, rapid iteration, enabling teams to respond to changing requirements and customer needs quickly. Combining these methodologies can help teams create successful products by using Lean UX research, creation of an MVP, which can be quickly tested and iterated using Agile methods. However, the challenge of integrating these different methodologies is bringing together teams with different skill sets and goals, which requires creating a collaborative team culture that prioritizes open communication, transparency, and flexibility. Read the blog article which will provide tips for conducting Lean UX research, defining an MVP, and creating an Agile project plan. Integrating these methodologies is a challenging solution that requires an organizational cultural shift and an overall strategy. But it can produce successful products that engages users and gain market share. If you like more info, contact us at info@aretworks.com. Thanks for watching.